Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So here is the channel. Market is at the channel, but market is trying to go. Yes, market is going up. If I get lower entry point, yes, market is not reversing at this level. Market must create green candle at this level, even though this is the these are the three white soldiers. I know it will not reverse from this level. Market is doing some panic, but it will close above my entry point. This candle must be green. You see, this is the green candle. I'm coming. Let me pause. Somebody is knocking the door. Yes, I'm back. Let us continue. You see, this is the winning trade. I know definitely buyers must enter from this level. So let me check another opportunity. Here we are in strong downtrend, as you can see the alignment of EMS, and this is 2 week bias, so that market is going down, but I'm late this candle. Let me check what is. Yes, market is trying to reach this level. Yes, market will reach this level. Let me draw it here. Yes, market must reach this level. Here is the target, but market rejected. Yes, market rejected from this level. But I know it must reach this level. That's why I place my trade put option. Even though you see gap down, but market will reach this level. This is the reversal area. Market will reverse from this level because of the strong downtrend. I know market, you see, market is trying to reach the level. So this is the reversal area. So that's why I place my trade put option. You see. You see, this is the round number. So this is the association candle of this trend. See, market will reject and close at this level. You see, market is closing. It's trying to close at the level. So this another winning trade. So let's analyze another market. Yes, here strong momentum. I'm late. I know this candle must be weak. I would have placed my trade below this round number. You see, but here 1 2 3 4 5 attempts, and this is the strong momentum. Yes, this is the momentum. You see, Here's the momentum. I'll place call option again because of this momentum. Yes, I know definitely market will close above my entry point because of this momentum. This candle must be green, at least to this 100 EMA. Market will reach this 100 EMA before it reverse. This is the target of the market. You see, this is the target area of this market to must reach this level before it reverse. So that's why I place my trade. Call option. You see, market is reaching the 200 EMA. You see, this is the winning trade. Market is rejected from the 200 EMA. Maybe market will reverse now. So this is the end of this video. Let me explain. So here, first of all, what I can see from this market before I take my trade, anytime make sure you have good reason to take trade. Try to analyze to take trade. Don't just take your trade anyhow. Try to analyze before you take any trade. So the reason why I took my first trade here, you see, I can see the alignment of the EMS showed that we are in strong uptrend. You see, after market pull back from 100 EMA, you see it break the whole this 50 and 20 EMA and peg breakout. After market reaches this 100 EMA again, a reverse. You see reverse and break out the 20 and 50 EMA. Then with strong candle. After this strong candle above all EMS, you see this strong candle is above all EMS. So I know definitely it will not reverse. Even though this is the level, it will not reverse because it is above all EMS, and this is like pull back from 100 EMA and break 20 and 50 EMA. So I know definitely market will go more up. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level. So anytime try to analyze very well before you take any trade. Try to check all the alignment of your EMS. If you know how to use the EMS, try to identify in which direction market is going before you take your trade. Then the next trade here, you see, I analyze again with my EMS. You see 200, 100, 50, 20. You see, after this, you see strong downtrend. This is only bias here, means that no strong bias at this level, and this is the continuation candle, and this is the target area. You see, after market reach this area, you see it reverse. I told you this is the target. Market must reach level before it reverse. You see, as soon as it reaches this level, you see market reverse. So because of this alignment of the EMS, so I know definitely market will go down at least to the extreme level, before it reverse. If it is weak level, it will break all this type of levels. Here is another weak level, market will break it, but it will reverse from the extreme level. So that's why I place my trade put option, because of the alignment of the EMS are pointing down and no bias. You see, no strong bias at all, only few bias here. Then this hammer is continuation, even though there is gap down. If you see gap down in bias area, because of this rejection, you may think bias will enter, because of the strong momentum, buyers will not enter. Strong downtrend, I mean, no, buyers will not enter. It will reach extreme level before it buyers enters. So that's why I place my trade put option. So the next trade, the last trade here, why I took this trade, still try to check, you see the EMA alignment here. EMA, you see 20 is pointing up, 50 is pointing up, and 100 is trying to point up. You see is bending, even the 200 is bending. Show that market is changing direction after a strong downtrend here. You see 200, 100, 50, 20. You understand? Here is strong downtrend, and from here you see market EMS are losing steepness. You see from here, show that market is trying to change direction. You see here, and this 20 EMA is going against 50, means that market is changing direction. So that's why, even though here you see is sellers area, this is the sellers area, but because of this changing of direction and breakout of 20 and 50 EMA and momentum, you see buyers. So that's why I know buyers must go more up. That's why I place my trade call option here. So anytime try to analyze very well before you take your trade, and make sure you have reason to take trade. Don't just take your trade anyhow. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, like it, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.